Me in and out of your girl like teleporter. Gamble and lose pum pum a poker.
If you wanna give life, pum pum's the portal. Stacking bare bread, that's for my daughter.
Chelsea put out a song about 3 weeks ago named Slaughter, and Vybz Kartel did a rendition of it. But people online have said Vybz Kartel pay homage, which nothing wrong with paying homage, no, but I think Jamaican misuse the word homage, use it incorrectly. So I'm going to tell you now what is the correct term for Vybz Kartel do. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk. I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And throughout the video, if a Real Talk may I make, like the video, comment Real Talk in the comment section, and definitely subscribe if a Real Talk may I make. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a Real Talk may I make. I'm going to shout out the Smith family who followed you with $2 on the last video. So anybody who have followed from the last video, and if you don't watch it yet, you can go watch it. We already talked about the hidden meaning in a why Vybz Kartel do the song here. Onslaught mean a sudden wave of attack, and that's what him do to Dancehall right now. Everybody's surprised and all of that. So we're not going to go over that again. So what we are going to talk about is him do a rendition of the original song. The original song is by Central C named Slaughter. At the time when me do the vlog there, me never know say it was a rendition of where Central C do. And remember me telling you all the while, me not on the internet a cap. I'm not a big fan of drill music. And 3 weeks ago him do it, so it actually new. So you don't get no time for crossover over my side and hear it. You see me? Yeah, so Vybz Kartel quick and fast the theme version of the song. But people now I say, yo, he must show homage. But maybe people know say homage are not the right word. Homage are just one more word where Jamaican, they misuse it. Them not use it correctly. And sometimes Jamaican use the word there for belittle you too. Like, believe it or not, me I go explain how Jamaican use the word there for belittle you. So, you know say homage. So when you hear the word homage, without looking at a dictionary or nothing, you know say probably somebody do a cover version or them a show respect to an older artist. Then use the artist style, flow, piece of the song, all of that. And them say, yo, them a pay homage. Or sometimes the person sing about the person. Like what you have one little youth, me don't remember what him name. And them a sing about Vybz Kartel. One little youth. What you Wasp? Wasp, you know the artist Wasp? Him do a song, him a sing about Vybz Kartel where that a homage. And one little youth, me don't remember what the little artist name. You see me? Him sing one song about Vybz Kartel. Just like how Wasp sing one song about Vybz Kartel. So them something there a homage without look up the word and something. You see me? So how them flip it now? And if an old artist, them say pay homage to a young artist. You see me? Like for example, Vendetta would say Bounty Killer pay homage to Alkaline. So them start flip around the word. So that is why sometimes when people say, yo, I'm gonna pay homage, it sound like I even disrespect a Jamaica with it. Here. Big up brand new music review. Him did a do on live about the topic and me hear people perspective of it. You see me? I'm just say, me I go talk about it. Yeah, so sometimes if I hear somebody say, yo, Vybz Kartel pay homage to Central C, some people say, yo, I know homage. But as a Jamaican, call it all along. So me want to pick upon somebody if them say that. You see me? Yeah, but the correct word is interpolate. And Vybz Kartel do a whole heap of that in a dancehall. Jamaican are go always be Jamaican. And them not go call it by the right word. Probably because it sound too uptown or it sound too proper. Them not go use it. Yeah, so them rather use the word pirate or copy or thief. You see me? In thief the man song and copy the man song. But what happened to other words like cover, sample, remix, refix, freestyle? What happened to them other words there? You see me? But yeah, it's not a homage him up here. As something Vybz Kartel do all the while. Remember Vybz Kartel do it with all Eminem. Eminem have a song with him Godzilla, and Vybz Kartel have a song with him Glockzilla. Competition in Jamaica, no challenge, no challenge. Who know the song there?
Competition at Jamaica, no challenge, most of them, no talent. Two fittest, call the school board. You did a start it, tune code, tune for chest, hard kick, brute force, murder she would. Versus the jeans and the low valley wall, and we swords and them roll, and the road with the force of the gods, and we holding the ghost, and we totally gross, and we kill well, most of we don't, and we yelling, and we cool, like a bag of nail, most of his baby, you bold well, I am nail, drill you, choke you, but me not kill you.
And Vybz Kartel have a whole entire verse where it sound like Eminem. Him do it all the while. And you know what the funniest thing? You see right now when Grindsman at about say Vybz Kartel thief him song, Vybz Kartel do it all the while, and Vybz Kartel now gonna stop a part of Vybz Kartel brand. Vybz Kartel now do it with Cardi B, WAP. Remember Vybz Kartel have one verse on the WAP? Him always gonna do it, bro. And the same Cardi B, how Cardi B boss? Cardi B boss off a interpolation of no flocking. Yeah, should do a complete interpolation of no flocking. And see it there? Sealer. See it up on the screen? Since I know what I talk say, Cardi B, Vybz Kartel is a direct homage to Kodak Black with the title and flow interpolating his 2014 song No Flocking. So you see? So paying homage and interpolating, it connects sometime. But sometimes Jamaican just use the word homage for belittle or whatever. But nothing wrong if I say a homage him a pay. Cause you see what them say right there, so Cardi B interpolate and I pay homage to Kodak Black. And this I never something I plan, you know. The reason why I look on Google, because I never remember where Kodak Black original song name. I only remember Vybz Kartel. I don't remember the no flocking. You see me, I some reach on Google and see the same word in there. Interpolating. Is an interpolation, that are the correct word. Interpolation or interpolate. Sampling different from interpolation. Sampling I wanna use the person original voice piece of the song, like you cut out piece of the song and use it for your chorus, or just use it. That is sampling. Like you sample somebody's song, you use the original song. That are sampling, that different from interpolation. You see what Elephant Man do, believe it or not, what Elephant Man do, I interpolate. When you always hear him sing over back people's song, Ghost sing over back everybody's song in a theme way, where Ghost do, a interpolation. When he sing over back all of the souls song them, yeah, where Ghost always do a interpolation, where Elephant Man do, a interpolation. As a matter of fact, while me talk about interpolation, me saw one girl, a ball say yo, she tired of Elephant Man, because Elephant Man knock over back one more song. And remember, we are Jamaican, you know, even though me know the right word. You notice the word what me just do? Him knock over it back. So don't matter things because me know the right word now. Next time you see me a title one video, me a go say Elephant Man do a interpolation of another song. The people them tired of Elephant Man interpolation. No. If me title my video so, I only who watch it now I gonna know. There are millions of people on YouTube when I watch my video yet I know what is interpolation. Them a go wonder which school is them a come. Even though my vlog them is a school, but people are go wonder which word that. Them not gonna click on it as fast as if me say Elephant Man pirate one next woman song. The people them tired of Elephant Man a pirate the song them. Or thief the people them song. So even though me know the right word, me not gonna write it in the comment section. Alright, so let me show you an example say and all while interpolation a homage. Silk Boss have one song where him a copy Vybz Kartel, Tony Montana. Silk Boss have a song where him talk about, you know, you're gonna make it about doing Boomarama. When you're doing Bamarama, Blularama, Jularama. If you ask Silk Boss who I'm artist right now, Silk Boss I tell us say Alkaline I'm artist a vendetta time say. But yet still him a copy with Vybz Kartel do. That now how you clearly call a pirate in a Jamaican language, a pirate that. And pirate that means say them thief the people them style without no real credit. Them not do no paperwork, them just thief the style. You see me? So Jamaican have them own meaning, but sometimes are the same meaning. Yeah, so if you ask Silk Boss, him not show no homage to Vybz Kartel. Silk Boss just confused. Him rate Vybz Kartel, him study Vybz Kartel, and more than one song. But me can't remember the song the name. Write it in the comment section if you don't know the song when me talk where Silk Boss copy Tony Montana, Vybz Kartel, Tony Montana, Boomarama, Blamarama. But people are writing some more anything, you know. But me I go take on out with the video with the girl I say yo, she tired of Elephant Man interpolation, and an interpolation she say that another word what she use, but me just a show no say don't expect me no title telling about interpolation. We are Jamaican. You see me? We know the right word, but we just talk like how Jamaican talk, so Jamaican understand we. But a sealer, you see me? Because right as me talk about the topic, I'm going to scroll on social media. I see that me see. I talk about elephant man. I say, yo, watch out, this tying at the topic, man. So me I go show him because it's funny too, you know.
Elephant man has to be stopped. He has to be stopped. He keeps coming into the studio with something and somebody say, yeah, let's go. Are you evil? Are you wicked? Somebody has to stop somebody. Whoever needs to be stopped needs to be stopped. Stop.
From you know, your pussy no big like the last time we blew. Girl, you tight down below. I'm falling in love with you. When me tight pussy girl, them there.
Please, I'm a victim.
I don't want to laugh, you know, but is it safe to say Elephant Man are the king of interpolation? You see me? But people, as me say, I rather say we are in it. If a real talk me make, drop a real talk in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk me make. Subscribe if you're new and if you know say a real talk me make. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section if a real talk me make. The link to the PayPal me I go pin it in the comment section. If a real talk me I make, you can shot me a dog food. But yeah man, people, there's a video on the screen for me do yesterday. That's the video what me do. Before this, I tell you the meaning of why Vybz Kartel do the song there. Onslaught. Say he must turn upon the people them. I make them know say yo, me take you by surprise. So if you don't want the reason there, you can go watch that too. You see me? Yeah, more reasoning there. You can watch at least 3 of my last video them. Them still fresh and them still hot. You see me? Yeah, so see the video there on the screen, okay, and click on it. But I am DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.